Hello students of 8th class. Today we are going to start a chapter number 23, that is a volume and surface area of cube and cuboid. So students, first of all I will tell you what is the cube. In a cube, the cube three sides are equal. In the cubes all sides are equal. It means that its length, its breadth and its height are equal, and its volume is equals to side into side into side, because all sides are equal, that's why its volume is equals to side into side into side, or you can say that side cube. Now next one is cuboid. In a cuboid the length, breadth and height are not same, they are changed, and its volume is equals to length multiply breadth multiply height. See, here are some formulas, like first of all volume of cube, that is A multiply A multiply A, or you can say side multiply side multiply side. Now volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is length multiply breadth multiply height. Total surface area of cube, because its all sides are equal and its basis is 6, that's why its total surface area of cube, one side, two side, three side, four side, five side and 6 sides. So we have to find out its area, that is equal to 6a square. Now next one is total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 times of length breadth, breadth height, height length and length height. Right, now diagonals of cuboid, that is square root of L square plus B square plus H square, means square of sides and taking a square root to whole term. Okay, now area of 4 walls, we know that when we have to find the area of 4 walls, that is 2 times of length multiply breadth and multiply by height. Now diagonal of cubes. Now see here, if the diagonals of cuboid is square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Now what is the volume of cube? Volume of cube is square root of 3a. Lateral surface area of cube, that is 4a square. So students, here are some questions which are from your exercise I will explain today. That are here, first question is find the volume and total surface area of cuboid. Now what is the volume of cuboid? That is length multiply breadth multiply height. Now here length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter and height is a 5 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume of cuboid, that is length multiply by breadth multiply by height. Now see here, what is the length? Length is a 12, breadth is a 8 and height is a 5. So we multiply these terms, we get a 480 centimeter cube. Now one thing more, when you have to find the volume, then you put here cubic sign. When you have to find out the area, we are using a centimeter square. Now next one is, in this question he said that find the total surface area of cuboid. So total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 length breadth plus breadth height plus height length. Just insert the values. Here length is 12, breadth is 8 and height is 5. After putting the value you get a 392 centimeter square answer. Now see next question number second. The volume of cuboid is 14,580 centimeter cube. Now here volume is given and its length is 36 centimeter and its breadth is 27 centimeter. Now we have to find the height of cuboid. Now how? We have to find the height of cuboid. If the volume is given, just applying the formula of volume of cuboid here. That is length multiply breadth multiply height, which is equals to 14,580 centimeter cube. See students, here length is a 36, breadth is a 27 and height is a height we don't know what is the height, and the volume is equals to 14,580. After solving this you get a 15 centimeter height. Now second part is you have to find the diagonals of cuboid. Now what is the diagonals of cuboid? Diagonals of cuboid is equals to L square plus B square plus H square square root. Now what is the L? Here L is 36 square. What is the breadth? That is 27 square. And what is the height? That is a 15 square. Now solve this, you get a 67.08 centimeter answer. Now see next question. Volume of cuboid is this. Its breadth and height are in ratio 5:4. Now see when the equations are coming in the ratio form, I told you in a previous videos also that then we take a x with the length and breadth. Now here breadth is 5x and height is 4x and length is 16 meter. What he said, find the breadth and height and total surface area. Now students, here volume is given. So volume is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. Now what is the volume of cuboid here? That is 1280. Okay, is equals to 5x multiply 4x multiply by 16. That is your dimension which is given in your question. Okay, now that is after solving it you get the x square is equals to 4 and the value of x is equals to 2. Now these value you have to insert a letting value which are a breadth and height. Now breadth is what? That is 5x and what is the height? That is a 4x. Means 5 multiply 2 that is a 10 and 4 multiply 2 that is a 8. Now we have to find total surface area, that is a 2 length breadth plus height length plus breadth height. After inserting the values you get a answer. Now see next, how many person can be accommodated in a hall of dimension 30 meter, 14.25 meter and 12 meter if each person needed a space of 3.75 meter cube. See students, in these questions he gave the dimensions of the hall. First of all we have to find the volume of hall, that is by multiplying these all terms. Now see, if each person covering a space 3.75, so what is the dimensions, how many person can be accommodated here? So you have to divide volume, you have to divide with the volume. Now volume is 330 multiply 14.25 multiply 12 divides by 3.75. After this you get the answer, that is 1368. Now see next 15th question. Surface area of cube is 4374 centimeter cube. We have to find a volume. But see here surface area is given. Okay, simply you apply here the formula of surface area, that is a 6a square which is equals to 4374 meters equals to that. Now from there you get the value of a, that is 27. Now we have to find a volume here now. So what is the volume of cube? That is a multiply a multiply a, or you can say a cube. That is 27 multiply 27 multiply 27 which is 19,683 centimeter cube. Now see in the 16th question, the volume of cube is 4,913 centimeter cube, find its surface area. Now here volume is given, you have to find a surface area. In the last question surface area is given, you have to find a volume. Now here volume is equals to a cube is equals to 4,930. From here you get a value of a which is equals to 17 and surface area is equals to 6a square. Now just put a value here and you get a answer. Now students, rest of the questions that are of question number 4, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 and 14 should be solved, and 17 also be solved on your notebook. And one thing more, in this chapter there is 1 to 17 question are in your syllabus, rest are cut due to COVID. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.